the source of magnificence, the power of endurance, and the accent of individuality. Wallshell, with its wide range of textured and colored facade panels, provide you with an endless inspiration, a realization of architects' original vision, and a comprehensive and versatile solution for your creative individuality. Architecturally pleasing, faster installation, and environment-friendly, Wallshell Cladding system in many perspectives is the architect's choice. It can fulfill your projects with the easier implementation and higher performance without compromising your facade complexity and creativity. As natural as granite or as shining as aluminum, Wallshell's distinctive powder-coated fiber cement panels have been a leading brand for decades in the cladding industry. Its unique natural look and timeless beauty provide an exciting and noble expression to every building. The special coating also shows strong scratch resistance and offers lasting defense against graffiti. Wallshell has taken all that's great about fiber cement and engineered it into the magnificent rain screen and weather barrier cladding systems that stand out in the construction world. The strictly controlled environment of our factories enables Wallshell to achieve the top qualities of carrier board as well as finish coat in the defined density, strength, textures, and colors. The qualities unattainable by any other alternative claddings that are built on site. We assemble our entire exterior paneling system using standardized components, increasing the precision, efficiency, and quality of our output. By complying with ICC-approved quality control methods, we ensure that Wallshell panel systems perform safer, cost less, and take less time to build and maintain, resulting in substantially reduced development risk. Through a revolutionary, integrated, and model-centric BIM design platform, Wallshell is changing the way building claddings are designed and applied. Our BIM-integrated cutting equipment allows Wallshell to achieve an outstanding tolerance of 1/12 of an inch for any produced panel. From the architect's design to panel layout to the finish coat, every customized detail is prototyped and precisely fabricated using BIM model in our factory. With no guesswork or time-consuming modifications on site, at per square foot cost, it matches or beats most of cladding alternatives. Wallshell prefabricated weather barrier thermal panel system and rain screen panel system streamline the design, manufacture and installation of panels, and cut weeks or even months out of your development process or multi-step construction. It delivers the precision manufacture, built-in insulation, marine-grade corrosion-resistant anchors, and pre-anchored panels that are installed in a fraction of time needed for traditional brick, metallic panel, granite veneer, or stucco claddings. To the complex, cost-sensitive environment of commercial construction, Wallshell panels bring in a turnkey cladding system that has almost no weather constraint, no modification on its on-site installation that gives you the control and predictability you need to make your project successful. It's time you discover a faster, better, greener, and more cost-efficient way to design and build as uncompromising as you are. It's time you discover Wallshell.